think it's our time to tell you the facts concerning whatever is going on in this country. Nigeria are very good in fighting irrelevant matters. They not the fight issue at hand. Never. They are good in fighting irrelevant matters. The one we concern me now, as from South, Benin precisely, Edo State. Now the frustration where they give one small boy. Mike play on the cassette. Small boy give me deposit of 500k. He say he won't buy car. The next thing they hear now they say yes to see cash out for Benin. Although I know say the embarrassment don't did there since even me have been embarrassed like many times. They say the boy say they don't cash out. Say yes, he don't go bust one house, so they see the boy there. This one small boy will they take care of the family. This not the boy where their family get as whole. For their life, those boys, that boys who for their entire life as they grow they come. Now only on Sunday, now they cook rice. Only on Sunday. As men they grew up those days. Did you know that people are still living that kind of life till now? Only on Sunday, now they cook rice. Now so we take grow. But when that boy come, he can't bring lights to the family. Now he wants to buy car with manage. He was explaining. He's a little boy. He was explaining. Then now, EFCC catch the boy. Now they can't send them. They go bring money for bail. They collected his money. The money that now his sister now called me to send the money back. I send the money back. As I send that money, go give them back. He pay me. I send the money, give them back. They carry the 500,000. They go use and take pay that boy. EFCC share the money. My brother will be the thief. Now let's come to reality. When Abacha loot Nigeria money, he can't go put on for Western world. When they see the money, they can't call our country. Let us know, say, the money where they loot for there, they return that money back. Since history of where EFCC they cash your boy, I never see one Oyibo where they call and say, they call congratulate and say, Madam, Oga, see the money where this boy collect for your hand. We are giving you the money back and we will deal with him. See, if you tell me tomorrow, say who is the best president I will ever respect, I will always remember to respect Babangida and Abacha. Yaradua. Those are my best president ever. I can remember Babangida regime. Where this those guy carry car, whether now Beto, I don't know. We carry car from America come. When the America came to Nigeria, when they call catch the guy, he told them to go away with their car that he would deal with him on his own. After that one, he can't come out with law. He said, person wey 419 cash and 419. Now the same rope tied them. One, you were the defraud. You are a fraudster. You be greedy. Anybody wey fall for scam na greedy person. How can somebody tell you say you want sell full community, a whole full community for you for peanuts, and you go agree? Although you know the rightful source to buy it, but you want to pass corner. In some states in America now, if they catch you as you go send money, give fraudster, you go jail for 7 years. You personally will send the money. Because if they go check, investigate what make you send that money, they'll call you and say, man, now you the longer truth. But the thing enter Nigeria, it turn on that thing. Now, Nigerians don't have money. The politicians, they loot money every blessed day. A few days ago, the governor of Edo State stated that they printed how many billions and they share them. They go use that money buy dollar. They will go put them for outside. They'll use them bank outside. Me, I not be blogger. It gets some kind of thing where they pay me. I will come out for video talk. See, EFCC for Benin, they don't get sense. They be mugu. They don't, as in, I don't feel maybe they do their own thing. This video, I dey open my full face, I dey talk my belly come out. Wanna know me? I dey always come Benin. I personally run come over Benin before him because of embarrassment. I will never forget how I was being molested and embarrassed in that Benin. If I say make I drive come off for house before from here reach here in a station. If I want to go carry my children for school from here reach here in a station. Every time. Just because they needed money. The thing come too much before they can't do NSAS. If they just say you be fine boy, you dey use iPhone, you are in problem. Now the type of EFCC where they get for Benin, it's obvious that they are the same SARS that they ended. They don't pack all of them go Benin. Now they not do stop and search. They go boss boys, they even go boss people for hotel. But one thing I will let you guys know, you are not doing the right thing. You are doing the right thing at the wrong time. Nigeria not even get stable income. When they go disturb boys, so they even they manage the day, make them not thief. See, let me be realistic like here, right here. You see some boys for that Benin, wey me know. I think years back, I dey see those boys, they run at house. If I see them, I'll pass the other side. The last time I went to Benin, I saw them, they are all big boys. They are driving big cars. They are living well. If not be even the Yahoo safe where they even they talk. I know they talk about those ones where they go do blood money, because the Yahoo boys we me know. Now the ones where they use break collect money. That be the one where go do blood money, where go shop shit. Call the phone say na Yahoo ain't do. Because now anything will happen, na Yahoo. If kidnapper cash person go make money finish, they don't know na Yahoo. If what you call blood money people you do something, na Yahoo. I'm not talking about those ones. I'm talking about the intellectuals. Baba, these boys that they follow me back car steady. If you not like saying that one I want to arrest me for, wanna come arrest me, I did game. You understand? These boys buy car for me steady. And I dey pray for every one of them. Because it's not easy for this country. My brother, the country hard. It's not easy at all. Wait till they pay me. Now the nonsense fights where Nigerians they fight. They are fighting irrelevant matters. The real criminals are out there. Not be here they say what's it called? Not be here they say politicians carry money go bury. Now so we hear the matter. And the news for Nigeria we not the see the end. If they don't bring the matter come again, you know here again. I'm talking for my own state, Benin City, Edo, when I come from. EFCC branch we did there. When I use on our sense, when I don't over the misbehave, when I don't turn criminals. Somebody the video una for me yesterday. When I block road, they do stop and search. EFCC car. He pits. Obasanjo will create EFCC now to fight financial crime, because he knows say himself in the game in a former mwepa. He know how to stop and make them know they carry money come out for Nigeria. But you know what they do now? Now another thing. Una supposed to they check politicians so that make that money where they carry come out. Make they use them for this country. Make they use them they develop the country. They build roads. They do things. They tie road, they build companies, they create employment. If you check out my brother, for that Benin owner, they go misbehave so. Ona for come before. In 90s, 98, 97 to 2007, they're not born you well. Maybe you old phone. You won't die. Nobody know it to be Yahoo for that Benin. Now kidnapping and armed robbers. But now, I can't surprise. Things don't they go well. Boys don't they buy land. Boys don't they build houses. If you talk about the best houses in Benin, now Yahoo boys get them. Now they call them Yahoo boys. Me, I they call them intellectuals. They get brain. They get sense past the foolish politicians. The politicians are foolish and useless people. Those one they thief their own, they thief for their own house, they go put them for outside. But why Yahoo boys? One of the call say they be thief now. One of the call the Yahoo boys. I don't call them Yahoo boy. I call them intelligent, fast thinker. Now wait here they call them intelligent, fast thinker. They bring the money where politician thief come on. They return and come back. When they go cash them, they frustrate their life. When I guess sense. This is they pay me and I make me they do this video so. And I pray make this video reach to my hand well. When I use my brain, whatever you are doing now, you are doing it down for your whole generation. I believe so you get children. Your children. If those boys are developing the communities, nobody will suffer. I know how many pure water company will be saying, "Your boys can get and they employ workers for that Benin." I did come that Benin where I left Benin because of when SARS was embarrassing too much. I came to Nigeria 2007. I was traveling steady. My brother, as I did come off for airport from Lagos. From Lagos, I took another flight to Benin Airport. As I reached Benin Airport, I did come out. Motorway carry me come out. They stop and for road. From there, na station I go. After years in another mass country, I was being embarrassed in my own land, my mother's land. I don't know when I want to get sense for that time. Now, when I don't turn the time to another thing. Even some boys when me know say they be big boys. All of them don't run come up for the Benin. The real big boys when me know for Benin, they don't they run. So they say their house they run come out. They'll say no, I don't fit come Benin. Now let their papa and mama they won't build that. So people that is supposed to develop Benin. I will use this opportunity to beg the Oba of Benin, make it talk to EFCC. The thing where they do, is not clear. You should go and look for the real armed robbers. If I thought say they want who they fight crime, concerning fraud or whatever, maybe they know you're doing for Benin because Benin not get work. No work for Benin. You know how many factory, which factory you want to talk? I be now Komo, I be Weti. Which factory where boys won't go to work? How many work they Benin where you go work, say maybe they get 10,000 naira a month? It is not there. Work with me, I know for Benin that and a community and Agbero. Then yes, community Agbero. Then the other illegal work now to the snatch robbery and kidnapping. Now be the work with they Benin. My brother, if not be when things come the goods, even the bad people, when they see they run entire house, they are doing well. They are not big boys in Benin. They talk sense into your head. They talk how you want to make money. I said one day, I go there that day, the way they put me for hotel, make me day comfortable. I was happy. These are the same boys who will be say before if you see them, you run enter bush. Now, EFCC can't come Benin. Now, they won't change the setting. These are the boys that is even developing all the communities. Now, our papa won't go buy land for 1 million. Our papa where they work, government work with, they never pay for how many years? Where they owe pension. Now won't go buy land for 5 million. What could I use on our brain? Oh? If I say man, I even they talk, even for Abuja, if EFCC catch you, they don't see anything for your hands. They will tell you, say, go bring one guarantor, bring everything, make it sign. They will leave you on bail. Bini all a lie. As far as you wear fine clothes, you must pay yourself with money. Not be changed. 500, 1 million, 2 million, and the rest. I don't hear on our story since. Many of my customers, I don't frustrate all of them. They don't run, go Turkish, they don't run, go Ghana, they don't run, go everywhere. I went to Ghana. I see some of my Benin boys. They are living well. Some of them don't marry Ghana girls. They are living well. For Ghana, I go eat for restaurants. Where one boy, they send out money from abroad. He go collect them for bank. Because the guy see and send a Nigerian, he be one do and take. He collected the money. He come tell and say, make it come out here. He won't scare the boy away. The boy went and carried Ghana police. They arrested that Western Union agent. We want him the money. They did the investigation and they arrested him. But for year, if they send you money, even though your mama now send you money, now banker, now go call EFCC for you, say they send dollar come. They go fuck you up, find the way you tell you say you never reach to collect dollar, they go frustrate you. where una dey do us dey go? There's